is why we are here today, because we care about your future. We really want to walk with you the journey beyond your academics. So after school, what happens? We are very passionate about young people, and we are passionate about the path that you take beyond school. You being able to skillfully design a cover letter, apply for a job, you skillfully being able to meaningfully make network, you being able to communicate effectively, you being resourceful, you be developing your emotional intelligence is what we care about, and that's why we are here today.
What you can see is a BrighterMonday platform. First of all, when you create an account of BrighterMonday, we expect that you have it complete, because employers also create accounts on BrighterMonday. So basically, this is the tracking application applicants tracking system.
The more you interact with this tool, you're able to interact with people. You ask them a question, they respond. They ask you, respond. Yeah, it's a two-way thing.
You grow very well when you're what? Consistent in something.
This is really part of the process of us trying to ensure that you're prepared to meet opportunities.